Good morning, students. Let's begin with module 2 of chapter number 3 of history, that is on the trail of the earliest people. Dear students, in this module you all will come to know about making of stone tools, uses of tools, finding about fire and uses of fire. So let's move first with making of stone tools. Making of stone tools involved planning and technique like any other craft. In other words, at first the early man drew the picture of the tool in his mind according to his requirement, then evolved the techniques of creating it out of a piece of stone. Many of the stone tools of Stone Age found in different parts of the world. The early men used the following techniques to make the stone tools. First, stone on stone. In this technique, a stone hammer was used on other pebbles to make stone tools. The hammer was used to strike off flakes from the pebble to get the desired shape of the tool. Second, pressure flaking. The technique of pressure flaking involved the use of piece of bone or stone, the hammer stone and the pebble. The bone or stone was placed on the pebble. The stone hammer was then used to remove flakes. These flakes were then shaped into the desired tools. Now let's further proceed with uses of stone tools. Stone tools were put to many uses. Like some stone tools were used to chop fruits and roots, cut meats, bones and trees, scrap bark from trees and hide animal skin. Second, some of the tools like spears and arrows were used for hunting. They might have been attached to handles made of bone or wood. Next, some tools were used to chop wood that used as firewood. Stone tools might have also been used for digging the ground for getting edible roots. These tools were also used for stitching clothes made out of animal skin. Dear students, the places where some stones were found and where people made tools, those places were known as factory sites. Sometimes people lived at factory sites for a long duration. Such sites were called habitation cum factory sites. Now, finding about fire. The greatest achievement of these people was the discovery of fire. In course of time, people discovered that striking two stones together could make fire. Although this was an accidental discovery, but a very important one for this age. Perhaps two stones were struck together while shaping a tool which fell on some dry leaves and caused fire. In India, traces of ashes have been found in the Kurnool caves. Next, uses of fire. Fire had many uses for human beings. It could provide them light in the dark. It gave them heat and kept them warm when it was cold. It was kept burning at the entrance of caves to scare away wild animals. It was also used to cook meat. The cooked meat thus became softer, tastier and easy to eat. Used as a weapon for protection from wild animals. That's all for this module. Thank you and have a nice day.